Now, as you can see on my screen, I have made 2,500 euros or almost 2,800 US dollars, okay, with affiliate marketing promoting a digital product in self-help manifestation niche. As you can see over here, 45 clicks if I click 45 sales and 685 clicks, okay? So 685 clicks, 45 actions or sales, and 2,500 euros. Now this all is possible because of Google pay-per-click ads. Now why I love Google pay-per-click ads, the reason why is because it's all about buyer's intent. You have to have, okay, in 2026, buyer's clicks. This is the most important thing. Without buyer's clicks, you can waste time and money on Facebook ads or YouTube ads, or even in this case, Google pay-per-click ads. You need to have message to the right market, okay? Message to the market match. Once you have that, yes, you can get these kind of results. You see, 685 clicks, again, 45 sales out of that, and here is the results, 2,500 euro in a day, in 24 hours. Google ad campaign. Now this works in 2026 if you have someone who can actually help you one-on-one, step-by-step along the way. Because you should ask yourself, okay, it's 2026. It's going to be February. Tomorrow it's February 1st. Okay? Will you again allow the time to pass you by? Will you allow others to make money online, but not you? Okay? Because you look left, you look right. People are making money online. This is the reason why Google is such a big company. People are spending millions a day on Google pay-per-click ads, on advertising, on marketing. It works, okay? People are buying or ordering stuff online more than ever. Just look on Uber, the food, clothes, TikTok shop, everything is changing to be digital. So why don't you take leverage and advantage when it's so easy and simple in 2026 to have someone to help you, hand-holding you, even over the Zoom call, one-on-one, step-by-step, to actually start generating these kind of results. Okay, thanks to affiliate marketing, I was able to travel to over 69 countries. You can check my Instagram. You can look over on my YouTube. Okay, I always share that. If you want to get the results, you can connect with me one-on-one. There's my WhatsApp number, my email, my Facebook Messenger, and Instagram. If you want to have these kind of results, yes, it's still possible to make it happen, but you do need to have someone who can help you, lead you, and help you transform your life in 2026.